4105, 4104, and then 110. We have to be together. Three of
Yeah.
them. Okay. So
You are how many adults?
7 adults and 1 child.
Hi guys, we're here at Nickelodeon Resort Spa. Hi guys. What? What should I say?
Anna, what do you want to say?
Nothing.
Say something.
Hi. Welcome to Nickelodeon.
Inang.
Gusto ng bata yun. Wow. Ay, hindi. Ay, nasa akin pala. Hi.
All the passports of staying, or just the 3 of us? All of everybody. Okay.
Oh, divided per room.
No, no, no. One room is 3 people, another room is 3 people, and then one is 2.
Will be welcome. Vamos, alegre. Ahora va.
Ay, no, no.
Eso.
Okay, okay, thank you, amiga. Okay. Okay, Nina. Let's go. One more. Dito kayo, Nina. Ay, come here. After me. Kabila yung kabila. Tingin. Tingin.
Okay.
We don't have room number yet. We don't have room number yet. Ah, okay na. Ano yan? Anong tawag dyan?
Like, they have a here. And then I just asked, what is her favorite? And then she said, this one is her favorite.
Utakam down. Oh, say hello.
So just try if you want, and then you can also order.
Oh, it's good.
Muy bien.
Okay, I'll get this.
Muy
Utakam. Utakam down.
See? 2 orders.
That's
already.
good. Okay, give me 1 liter.
Well,
Just kidding.
1 liter of Punta Kangdang.
Yeah.
Literally?
Just kidding. Just 1. Give me 1.
Bottle of
Siya. She will
Oh,
do
for
it
her. Oh, okay. Yeah.
He's in charge of Sprite.
Okay.
She's the bartender.
Alright.
Better,
Say hi, both of you.
better than me.
Really? Okay.
Wow. You will be my best friend.
What's your name?
Today.
Fabiana.
Fabiana. Soraya.
Yeah, Jamaila.
Jamaila. Where you from?
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yay. Now she
We are from the Dominican Republic.
I know, right? Go. Thank you. Thank you. We'll be back again after this. Thank you.
Bye-bye, ladies.
Thank you.
Cheers tayo, balitan.
Cheers.
Mubiay.
For the first
Mubiay.
drink.
For the first day.
First drink here in Nickelodeon. Yesterday. Sa sneak kami. Sneak.
May
Alak.
gustuhan mo to, Be. Apple juice or lime?
No, masarap. Tikman mo lang. Tikim lang.
It's gratis. Gratis.
Iced tea. Grazie. Ate Gail. Taste.
Try.
Taste this. Abay, nagpapakman pa. Sarap, P. Sarap.
Nahanap ko na Lina, look at this.
Andyan na sila, nandun na sila sa presko.
Kain.
Muna sila. Ay, bet ko to. Sarap. Ano mo pangalan? Punta Calm Down. Punta Calm Down.
Alam niya, kasi pag nasigero ka, yung pala,
Ito raw. Ito raw.
alam mo, pag nasigero ka, yung pag ispayan mo, malalahiran niya.
Yung gusto yung kanya. Same kami. Oo, mas gusto niya kami.
Ay,
Hindi niya,
gusto mo?
ipatingin mo sa akin. Ano ba rin siya? Ano gusto
Gusto
niya?
niya.
sarap
Mas
yan.
gusto niya sa'yo?
Oo.
Kasi sa akin? Di ba po kanya?
Oo, mas masarap yung sa akin.
Oo. Medyo ko lang.
Ano ba? Kasi kaya kanina na.
Nag-garden.
May balik na. Thank you.
Kumusta?
Ah, excellent.
Alak na alak. Alak na siya.
Alabis lang. Alabis lang.
Baka na ako lasing.
Eh, na dyan. Din sa sarap sa'yo, no? James, ayan na tinatawag.
So, in peso. In peso. USD? No. Dominican peso. $12. No. Dominican peso.
How much now? 600. 500. Punta kami doon. Very
Nanina.
Go.
Sarap na tumambay dito. Pag napapahinto.
Ano to?
Ram. Ano? Sarap?
Sarap.
Ram, apple juice.
Tingin dami siya. Tingin dami.
Party, party. Hindi pala tayo pwede slow.
Pwede na.
Okay. Dami pagpipilian.
Yes, may mga ice coffee ako.
Yan, yan kami kumili. Yeah. Hi guys. May gusto ko na ito din. Yeah. Ano yan? Ano yung ano na yan?
Tara, pasok tayo mamaya, arcade.
Arcade?
Oo.
Okay. Ay, kuya, dyan tayo mag-dinner mamaya.
Hi, teacher John.
What's that?
Let's go! Bye, then.
Vámonos,
amigos!
Let's go!
Tina. So, ayan. Arcade show.
This is fine. Okay, thank you so much. Angel. So we need to fall on the checkout. When you leave it? Today? Tuesday. We need to take Look at the end.
Sorry. Ingat.
Let's go. Let's go.
Vámonos.
Ready? Adiós.
Adios!
Adiós, mi amor.
Canada.
Cold there.
Yes, yes.
Yes, very cold.
Which news channel, really?
What is Central? Central.
Kaibigan.
Hello. Yeah. Ay,
May sandaan ako dyan sa ano. Bigyan mo yan.
Nice to meet Nickelodeon. So this is our room number. Yan. So, punta ka na Nickelodeon, guys. So, we're doing room tour. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
So, gagamitin mo tong wristband na to. Ito yung room key. Medyo madilim lang, guys. Ganun. So, go to our room.
Sir.
Okay. So guys, we'll start dito sa aming bathroom. May bathtub kami, then shower, then yung toilet. Shower, yung toilet, magkaiba. And then, you have two sink. Good. Ang ganda. Ay, naaano pa to? Naaano pa ata to? I think this one is naaano.
Yeah, I think for the view.
Yes. Okay tara guys, ano tayo? Ito yung mga gamit.
I think that this is electric.
Dito muna tayo.
Look.
Ooh.
Right?
Oh guys, electric.
So, yan yung pinaka-best view ko.
Kita na na.
Okay.
Meron kami ng full mirror.
Okay.
Yan yung aming cabinets. So, ito naman. Yan lahat. Ito. Guys, since all-inclusive to, lahat ng nandito, libre!
Let's go.
It's all free, guys! All free! Pinapatay muna natin yan.
So, ayun yung pinakamagandang view from the bed going there.
Ito yung bed namin, guys. Super cute! Ganda! Dito naman tayo. This one, ito yung pull-out bed. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nakalatag siya, pero extra bed kasi. Pero dalawa lang kami ito mag-stay. Very Nickelodeon siya, no? Kasi lahat sa color orange.
Orange.
So guys, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko na part. Yung view. So, show them.
Damn.
So, yan lang guys. Pwede ka dito mag-upo-upo. And here also. So, yun. Kaming dalawa here. Wait lang. So, sobrang ganda dito guys. So, pasok muna tayo kasi medyo malapot-lapot na. Hindi na. Uy, usok mo lang. So guys, ayun, ang ganda. So, ngayon, let's visit muna atin. We're gonna visit atin room.
Atis?
So, there's the ate, Aya, and Atis. Alam mo talaga. Hi, ate!
Welcome to our room 4104.
Yeah, we're 4104.
Same bathroom.
So, and then, I'll show you. No, show you something. Dito lang.
Wala pa nga kami power.
Why? Ano yung pala natin? Automatic. So, release na kasi eh.
Yeah, still, the floor is still wet.
And our living room here. We have our TV. And then this is the pool. Different view naman eh, no? This is
Parang yung sa inyo daan sa Mimon. Pero wala pang ikot lang yan.
parang ikot lang din ako.
May ikot tayo, parang wala.
Let's see. Out.
May aso pa.
I think it's a dead end.
Sa Ate Gail. Si Ate Gail. Ah, wait lang, may video ako.
Si Ate Gail. Hi, Ate Gail.
Doon kami sa kabilang naman. Sa kabila, sa halos katapat. Ano yung dito? Hindi. Wala na yung
Hindi naman dire-diretso naman pa rin siya. Tapos nakalagay siya sa sa stainless na. Takil yun. Takil pala yun. So sabi ko, ang galing mo. Ang galing mo. Nag-deliver sila ng dog food. Tapos sabi ko, hi, excuse me, is there a food service for dogs? Sabi niya, what? Tapos yung mata ko, sino? Ganon. Kasi from point 5 nung sinabi niya, ah! Tapos, nung na-realize ko yung dog, sabi niya, ah! Tapos, sino na gano'n mag-zoom? Sabi niya, zoom. Zoom.
Sabi niya, what? Sabi niya, what?
Ang lalayo lang. Yeah.
Gusto ko to, be.
Tama kung magkano. Aso. Wow, galing ha! Galing ha, galing! Galing! Galing na aso ha! Barel, barel. Ah, galing ha! Galing talaga oh. Galing din ha! Ano yan? Ah, deer yan ah, deer! Grabe yan! Grabe ba? Atina, snake, snake, Atina, snake, snake. Snake, yan, snake. Ganun, snake. Snake. Oh, snake ah. Yung snake oh. Oh, grabe oh.
Parang lang.
Kala ko di parang lasing.